Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check overviews in SentryPC. So first on your dashboard, go into overviews and then select what you want to check, for example, locations. Here you can select the device, only for example computer, only Android, or all device. You can also select just one device, but I'll go with all. And here you have all the overviews. So go into the active idle, select this PC, and you can create chart or select even the user. In activities, we need to wait for it to load, and here we have all alerts. We have all the events, usage, most idle, most logged in, most active. On mouse and keyboard, we can select the device, the user if you selected only one device, and display and create a chart. And we have screenshot. We can select the device and see latest screenshots and click on it to see the overview. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.